Let's get into our easy pips. We're going to need threes are the only things that can go here. I'm not sure which way yet, so we'll try that. I'm liking this setup for now. Only over 4 would go up there, and there's our easy. All right, let's go to medium. We've got 6 equals, a 4 equals, and a 2 equals, and we need 2 blanks there. So the first thing, we could do this, or we might need one of these to go into there. Let's see if we've got a lot of 1s or a lot of 6s. We do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 6 6s. We can't put 1s here. Is there anything else that we've got 6 of? It's not 5s, it's not 4s, it's not 3s, and it's not 2s. So we are going to need to mix this up here. We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll probably need our double 6 right there. I'm guessing we'll need a 6 and a 1 going into here. One of these ways. We'll probably adjust that in a minute once we know a little more. And then we've got a 6 and a 5 and a 6 and a 2. So do we want, question is, do we want a 5 or a 2? Well, we can't use this 2 for anything else productive, so we'll put that down here. We'll put this here for now. Do we have a 1 and a 5? We don't. So we're going to need to adjust these a bit. Let's see. So we'll probably do something like that. I think we're going to need these 5s over here. We'll probably need that there. Didn't mean to flip that, but we'll do that. And there's our medium puzzle for today. Now let's do the hard. Okay, so we need a bunch of zeros here and something bigger than a 1. So we've got, I guess, a lot of options here. This is going to be a 6 or a 5 right here, which means this will be a 4 or a 6 here. Or wait, a 4 or 5 here. We need a 4 or 5 here, and a 4, 5, 6 are here. So we could do, just looking through these, I think this is the only piece that can go there, which would mean this is the only piece that can go there. And then I think we just kind of start filling this out from here. I don't like that these don't have unique solutions sometimes, but it's the only thing I'm really seeing here. This is going to be 1s or 3s over here. Not sure which yet. We need more blanks over here though. So I think I got a little bit ahead of myself on placing these. Let's figure out what we need over here. This is a greater than 4, so we're going to use this 0.5 or this 0.6 here. Right here we need a 4 and a blank, which we don't have. So we need a 4 and a 1 through a 5 up here. What do we have? We've only got 1 4. So I think that's kind of what we got to do there. I think this would be probably the straightforward play there. Not sure this is going to fit though. Guess we'll have to see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just not going to fit. So what do we got for equals over here? We could do a 6, 5, or 4 into here. We don't have any 4s left, so this is going to be 2 5s. I think we maybe end up with, no, that's not going to work either. Could do something like that. Could do, we've got several 3s that we could use up there. What if we do a 5 and a 1 over there, a 1 and a 1, and then we still need 3 up here. We're going to do, I think that there. What do we want down here? This feels like the easy play, but maybe the only play, honestly. Let's try that up there. Let's try that down there, that down there. And there's our hard pips for today.